Yo, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, rep the set.
What's going on, guys? Isaac here. Y'all know me as Isaac. How you guys doing today? So today is the 4th of July. This is gonna probably be uploaded July 5th or
20th.
the weekend.
July 20th.
July 20th? Why July 20th, dude?
It's a joke.
Okay,
If
well.
you watch.
Anyways, that's Jeremiah right there. He's sleeping. I don't know why. We're gonna go shoot some fireworks, go do some fun stuff. This morning, both of us actually got a haircut. Wasn't able to vlog this morning because my camera was dead. So what the heck? But anyways, yeah, we're gonna go do some fun stuff in a little bit. Should be fun. Go do some trampoline and swimming pool, and then for sure we're going to shoot some fireworks. Yeah, so should be fun. I also want to apologize for not making a video in such a long time. I've been caught up with a lot of things, but I don't know, I just wasn't in the video process. So now I'm trying to get back into it and try and entertain you guys even more. So I'm sorry again, but I hope this makes up for it. Hope it's a long vlog when I edit it. But yeah, it's gonna be a fun day. Let's get to it. Now we're at the party right now. I'm about to hit some stuff on the trampoline. Did a couple backflips. Me and Jeremiah. Oh my goodness. We're just waiting to get changed right now. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun.
56.
He said it was 7 times.
Oh yeah, right.
Oh no.
I was gonna say 42.
Right now we're eating right now. We just gotta always gotta have that Gatorade. Is that waterproof? Yep. We're already lighting up fireworks out in the day. Look, it's crazy. Yeah, it's firecracker. What the heck? Dude, you're crazy.
What's that?
Dude, I'm running.
Get back up. Right. Throw. Throw quickly. Oh my gosh. Go.
Ow! Now we're gonna try and figure out how to get a tripod by the trampoline, because me, Jared, are gonna do some flips, and we're gonna try and get Jeremiah to do a flip. Oh. Yes, we're gonna have to get you to do a flip today. Alright. So right now, instead of doing the trampoline real quick, we are actually gonna go get some more fireworks because Jared wants a finale. And yeah, it should be fun.
We're out of the blast.
Oh, we
have these special crackers that have them on it.
Oh yeah, I'll take that.
They're just looking right now. I think they figured out what they are getting. I don't know. But I think they figured out what they want. So excited for tonight.
That might be a...
Yeah. Now we're back at the place. Now we're gonna hit the trampoline. See if I can. Yeah, that's perfect.
Perfect.
Ready, go.
Hey, that's what's up. Spinners.
Hey, it's not lit enough. Huh? It ran out already. Here, wait, Isaac, like this. I'm so mean. You're welcome, Justin. No, like no. Where's the other one?
Oh, I hate you, Gary.
I got 2 spinners. That's 1.
Oh my god.
That's 2.
You hit the other one.
This is Starfire. Alright, well, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys had a wonderful 4th of July. I know this might be uploaded a couple days later, or maybe the July 5th, but thank you guys for watching. Make sure to go comment down below. Make sure to go comment down below, leave a like. Always just go subscribe to me, really. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope I do a video in a couple days for sure. I need to do one in a couple days. But yeah, I need to get back into my YouTube thing, so bear with me, please. See you guys in the next video.